So there is absolutely nothing around where we are. Yo, we got some big rocks here, bro. It's like stepping in the mushy poop. That's a big rock. What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in. And today we're going to be exploring some new trails here in the Green Mountains in New England area. This is going to be a trail that we haven't explored yet. So we still have some light left. It's about 6:30 in the evening. So we got to hurry up, find a campsite for the night, and just stay away from these bugs. The bugs are going crazy. So let's hit the trails. First things first, we got to air down. Can't go on the trail without airing down first. We were supposed to go north, and I don't think I can actually make it all the way to the trail that I want to go to. So we got to find another way. But so far, the trail's pretty cool, right, Ian?
Yeah.
The only thing that's not cool is the bugs. The bugs are attacking us like crazy.
Look, I caught one.
Yeah? Let's see what's up ahead. Yo, we got some big rocks here, bro. But I don't think we can squeeze through because there's a tree that's down. Yeah, so I don't think we could get through here. I'm not gonna be able to fit under that tree, and I don't have a chainsaw. So we just gotta continue going the other way.
You know, I don't really like how Jesus made mosquitoes.
Everything has a purpose in life.
I know, but still.
Ian, what are you doing? Getting muddy? Ian's gonna test out the new obstacle that we're gonna go through. Right here. I just sank in the mud.
It's really satisfying.
It is. It's like stepping in the mushy poop. We're gonna go this way. Look at that. So this is gonna be sick. Let me show you up there. I don't know if I can fit. I'm probably gonna be the first one to attempt this. And then up there. Oh yeah, this is gonna be cool. This is gonna be cool. Look at this. Oh boy, coming up. Right now we're trying to find a campsite. We ended up on a very windy road here. The sun is about to go down. We have very limited amount of daylight left, but we have to rip through this trail and find a place to stay. Hopefully something will pop up soon. We're just heading downhill now, and we're about to enter another trail, and that trail is the one that's going to lead us to the campsite. So hopefully we'll get there sooner than later because it's getting dark. It's already getting dark. We still haven't found our campsite, and right now we are going uphill. It's pretty rocky. Now we have about maybe 20 minutes of daylight left. I wouldn't even say daylight because it's dark. So let's keep going. Hopefully we'll bump into a campsite soon and we can set up and just cook up some dinner. That's a big rock. All right, let's head up. We gotta hurry. This is pretty fun. There we go, we made it without any issues. So there is absolutely nothing around where we are. All right, let's set up. Guys, we got the camp set up right on the lake. Ian is making something to eat. What are you making, dude?
Bulldog.
Bulldog junk. All right, we'll cook up some real food in a minute. Let me show everybody the campsite. That is our living room for the night.
You know, if you think of it, it's the biggest living room ever. You know what? Hold on. Raise your hand if you want and out. What genius made this?
We have the hot dogs cooking here. Now we're going to make some bison burgers for dinner. I am starving. We had a long day of trailing today, so this is going to be well deserved. I wish you guys could smell it. It smells amazing. Hopefully it doesn't attract any bears or coyotes. That would be a bad scenario. We got some tomatoes cut up already. Bison burger's almost done. Gonna put it on the bun, put some hot sauce on it, and enjoy the dinner. I forgot one of the most important things, cheese. To make it a bison cheeseburger. I don't know, is it a burger if it's a bison? I think so. I think it's still a burger. All right, let's try this. Oh, it's so juicy. Okay, so that's a wrap for the video. We're gonna head upstairs to the rooftop tent. We're gonna call it a night. We just had a great dinner. Those 2 bison burgers hit the spot. I can't even fit anything else in here. Tomorrow we're heading out to just do some wheeling. We're not gonna be staying overnight. We're just gonna hit a trail. According to Onyx Off-Road, that trail is gonna be one of the hardest trails that we did so far. So that should be interesting. We've never been to that trail before. It's about an hour from here, I would say, 40 minutes. And that's it. If you guys like this video or any other videos, please hit that hype button. We have a new button now. Click the hype button all you want, as many times as you want. That way our channel can keep growing, and we thank everybody for watching our videos. So with that said, we'll see you guys out on the trails.